This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Today we are going to find the missing letters in words. All of these words have a short O sound. Ah. When you make the ah sound, your mouth is in the shape of an O. Ah. You can hear the short O sound at the beginning of words like octopus and ox. Let's read this word. Can you say the sounds with me? P, ah, p, pop. The word is pop. The word pop has 3 letters, one for each sound. Breaking the word apart helps us spell the word. Now let's look at another word together. Uh-oh, this time the beginning letter is missing. The word is log. Let's say each sound in log to figure out how to complete the word. Log. L, A, G. Okay, we have the letters for the og part, but we're missing the letter for the first sound. L. Which of these letters makes the sound L? L makes the L sound. Now we have all of the sounds in the word. L, A, G. Log. Let's look at another short O word together. Pot. This word is missing a letter too, but this time it's the last letter. Let's break the word apart and say each sound to figure out the missing letter. Pot. P. Ah. T. Here we have the letters for pa, but we're missing the letter for the last sound, t. Which letter spells the last sound, t? T makes the t sound. P, ah, t. Pot. Way to go! Let's do one more together. The word is mop. This word is missing the first letter. Let's say all the sounds of the word to find the missing letter. Mop. M. Ah. P. We have the letters for op, but we're missing the letter for the first sound, m. Which letter spells the m sound? M makes the m sound. M, ah, p. Mop. Nice work spelling short O words. Remember, when you make the ah sound, your mouth is in the shape of an O. Keep practicing spelling short words on your own.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.